You're watching Good Business San Diego.
Welcome back. The following portion of Good Business San Diego is sponsored by Associated Builders and Contractors San Diego chapter. ABC San Diego is a nonprofit trade or association that has one of the leading state-approved apprenticeship programs to prepare the next generation of skilled professionals in the building and construction industries. Jennifer Hooper is the Community Affairs Manager for ABC San Diego, and Lauren Varney is their Outreach Coordinator. Today we'll talk about their training program and the opportunities that are being created for the craftsmen who complete the program. So yeah, some great opportunities, right? So Lauren, let me start with you. Give us some more details on this program, who it is that it's appealing to and what it encompasses.
Yeah. Our apprenticeship program is totally free, so anyone can
That's
of
appealing
jump
right
on
there,
in.
right
Yeah,
from the start.
Exactly. It's my favorite part.
Yeah.
Being totally free, it allows our apprentices to graduate out of the program without student loan debt. As they're coming in, they're both working full-time for one of our member contractors and getting paid and getting benefits all at once. And they come to the state-of-the-art facility we have in Poway in the evenings for the formal in-class education at the same time. So
what's not to love about all of that? It is free, you're getting practical training, you're working with established companies in San Diego, and you're getting paid?
Yep.
Well, where do I sign up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like every time I pitch, explain to people what we do, I pretty much convince myself to become an electrician.
Right.
Yeah.
No, there's still time for a career change, right? Is it mostly people that are coming out of high school? Is it younger people typically that are?
It's a pretty good mix. It's a lot of folks whom would mostly benefit from our formal education coming out of high school. Maybe they don't have the means to go into a formal university. Yeah. Those whom already know about the benefits of jumping into the trades as a career path. And we work with a lot of transitioning service members as well.
And so Jennifer, I mean, there is so much upside, and people might think, oh, construction jobs, not really that desirable. But when you look at the opportunity that's there in this industry, that you will not be replaced by a robot, that you'll have these opportunities to build on, no pun intended, for years and years. A lot of upside, right?
It's a smart choice. There's a lot of talk now about AI coming and taking jobs. Yeah. AI is really taking a lot of repetitive, maybe some clerical tasks. AI is not capable of taking over the skilled craft positions. It's not able to do the things that are really needed right now. And then there's a massive labor shortage of skilled labor positions. Wages actually have gone up about 20% over the last few years in a lot of these positions of these skilled labor positions that we're seeing with data centers, smart buildings, a lot of the new construction that we're looking at renewable energy sources, plumbing, pipe fitting. A lot of these skilled crafts are so needed right now.
It's a boom time.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. And I mean, you look all around San Diego, it seems like construction's going on all over the place, to your point, so it seems like there's ample opportunity for everybody to jump in.
Exactly. So anyone who's looking to shift into a position where they want a career that has long-lasting stability. Yeah, it's a good shift to get into this kind of a trade.
Right. Okay, so Lauren, let's talk about this competition that you have coming up, the local craft competition, the championship. Tell us about what that is, who's going to be participating.
Yeah, so our LCC, or our Local Craft Championship, is coming up. It's right around the corner on November 1st. It's a chance for our apprentices to compete head-to-head within their trade, so whether they're electrical, plumbing, pipe fitting, sheet metal. Not only do they get a chance to compete against one another to show off their skills and potentially compete at nationals if they win,
Interesting, yeah.
Representing San Diego, but they're also awarded, rewarded, and the entire community is out celebrating this competition as it's unfolding. So there's going to be food and vendors and tons of activities and games for the whole family.
Chance to get exposed to that. So Lauren, final word from you for anybody that's considering this, or parents of people that might be. What do you say?
Don't overlook the trades. There's more than one avenue once you graduate out of high school.
Yeah, great opportunity. So again, this is coming up November 1st. People go to the website to pick up more information, and I would imagine the need is year-round. It's not necessarily a seasonal thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
People can apply anytime.
Okay, great. Good to talk to you guys. Appreciate you coming in today. Appreciate it. More information online on the website, which is abcsd.org. That's abcsd.org. And that is going to do it for Good Business San Diego today. Content segments during the show were paid for by Noble Real Estate Services, Westward Expos, by the Jim Terrell Real Estate Team, and by Associated Builders and Contractors San Diego chapter. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow on Good Business San Diego. Have a good day.
This has been Good Business San Diego, sponsored by Wilsey Asset Management.